No, no, no. Trying to get all over my jacket. What are you doing trying to get all over my jacket? You're silly. You're a silly cat, Thor. You're a silly cat. You're so silly. Hi, Chunky Monkey. What are you doing, huh? Are you mad because I made you stop eating Finley's food? Are you mad because I made you stop eating her food? Grumpy monkey. You grumpy, chunky monkey. Good girl. Oh yeah? Yeah. Yeah, good boy, kitty. All right. Whoa, my goodness. What's up? Squeaky, squeaky, squeak, squeak, squeak. Oh, oh, she's a talker. Oh. What's up, Skyler? Oh, yeah? So early for all that screaming, huh? We be screaming so early in the mornings. Do you be using your outside voice inside? I know. Whoa, crazy dogs. You're crazy dogs. Grr, 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 grr. Ooh. What's up, Finley? What are you doing? She still got food in her mouth. There it goes. Gross. Oh, yeah? You're just going to make a mess in all the toys, huh? Arr. Gotta choose the best one. Ooh. Shake it. Yeah. That's a good dog. Yeah, you shake it so good. Jealous. You're a jealous puppy. What's up? You trying to go outside, but you're not trying to go outside alone? Oh, you're trying to get me to get you some more food because you chunky monkey. No, you already had yours. It's like, but I didn't have enough. That's probably true, but you ate everyone else's. Huh. Huh. Squeaky, 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 squeak, squeaky, squeak. Squeaky, squeaky, squeak. Gonna get it? Get it. Play with your friend. Good girl, Finley. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. You're a good girl. Whoa! That was a good throw. Oh, that was so silly. Let's go outside. I know. Sometimes you just don't want to go outside alone. I get it. Well, it's freezing. Let me get on my jacket. I'm coming. Good girl. See, you're wearing fur. You like have your natural jackets on. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm not as fast as you are, girlfriend. Okay. Oh my goodness. Whoa. You coming? Yeah, you gotta. Come on, Parker. Shh. Shh. Hush. Go play. Shh. Skylar, it's too early for that. Shh. Skylar. Shh. Fine, I'm going inside then if you're going to be like that. Why are you yelling? It's way too early to be yelling like that. It's like not even 8 a.m. Shh. You look so cute and so happy, but you gotta shh. 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 Loki. Shh. Stay. It's not even possible, huh? Shh. We got 3 out of 4. Go. Go. Yes. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, at least with the toy in your mouth, you're quiet. Good girls. Good boys. Shh. Shh. Ooh, it is cold. We were in the 70s 2 days ago. We're in the 30s today. We're going to be in the 80s by like next week. This is beautiful. Gotta love Texas weather. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, stay on this side of the fence. Don't roll around and poo-poo. You're so fast, Finley. You're so fast. You can get this one. Her. Good girl going pee-pee outside. Y'all good now? Ready. One more. You still want to be out there? Because you got all this fur and you don't even know how cold it is out there? Okay, ready? Sometimes the inside outside is even more fun than just being out. Come on. Good boy. You go, yeah, because you just ate a bunch of grass. That's what happens when you eat a bunch of grass, buddy. Take it easy. Let it out. Parker, get back. Give him some space. Go on. It's okay, Loki. It's okay. It's okay. He ate a bunch of grass. Why don't you go play? Yeah. Good girl. You go focus on that. Yeah, let it out, Loki. Get back, Parker. Get back. Feeling a little better? Skylar, no. It's okay. It's okay, Loki. Take it easy. Because you were out there eating all that grass. I seen ya. Feeling a little better? Okay. Let's get that cleaned up, huh? Let's get that cleaned up, huh, puppies? Come on inside. Get you some clean water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! All right. I'm going to clean that up.